This is a story about returning home, about letting go of the fast-paced world to live slower, closer to the Aina. It's about two people, a shared vision, and a piece of land on the west side of Oahu that brought it all together. This is where our journey begins, along the beautiful Waianae coast of Oahu. It is absolutely beautiful with its breathtaking mountains, valleys, killer sunsets, and the rhythm of the ocean. You can truly feel the mana. Our favorite surf break at rest camp, fishing along the shores at sunset. Mark and I hoped for a simple life, the kind of grandparents and great-grandparents once lived, growing food, sharing what we have with others, and building something that lasts. Mark and I spent so much time together on the West Coast, we knew if we were going to plant roots anywhere, this would be the place. Aloha kakahiaka. Good morning, everybody. Before we begin today's episode, take a look at the beautiful Ka'ala mountain range. Isn't it gorgeous? Today we're tackling the most urgent problem on our property. And nope, it's not no wild chicken. But before I start, let me introduce one of our supporting actors here at Ma'ili Plantation. This is Zeppelin, our 12-year-old Chihuahua, Jack Russell, who's already acting like the supervisor coming off break. You can tell he's already figuring out the country lifestyle, and he's loving it. So our most urgent problem is a massive kiawe tree hovering over our home. If you know kiawe, then you know it's rugged, gnarly, full of thorns, and not something you want falling on your house. There's a funny story to this though. The night before, we were having a few drinks with our new neighbors, getting to know them, and as we shared about our kiawe problem, our neighbor said, "Hey, I know somebody with an excavator. I can get it here tomorrow." Mark and I were like, "For real?" "Sure." Later that night, Mark and I were like, "You think he gonna remember? Maybe it's the natural light talking." Honestly, we didn't expect anything. But next morning, boom, excavator rose up the driveway. Mark and I looked at each other and said, "Damn, he remembered." Right on, E. It gets better. His friend, a certified heavy equipment operator, just happened to drive by and saw the machine, pulls over and asked if we needed help. Wow, what are the chances of that?
Sketchy redneck shit going on here. Got the sheds gone. We got 2 chainsaws out here and a little cat. Backhoe trying to pull this down without it falling on the house. There's a 50-50 chance. That's my neighbor over there, Emil with the chainsaw. His friend Manny. They're all boat guys, all tradesmen. All a little bit crazy as fuck. Usually I'm 4 or 5 beers into it. barely hanging on by a thread. There we go. A little bit higher, better. That fucker's still gonna fall in the house probably. Oh, there she goes. Guess this is one way to get rid of that tree. Oh, there she goes. Hopefully you don't fall in those boats too. Oh, there he goes. There she goes. Oh yeah. Go that way. Go that way. Yeah. Woo. Didn't hit the boats. Didn't hit the house. That's a success. We're gonna clean all this stuff out. I already started.
Mahalo to our neighbor for hooking us up with the excavator and putting himself in some super sketchy situations with the chainsaw just to help us out. We couldn't be more grateful for everyone and the neighborly aloha they showed us that day. It was an all hands on deck for real. And as you can see, our supervisor Zeppelin approves. Hard day's work, trees gone, and he didn't even have to lift a paw. Classic supervisor moves, Zep. Until next time, mahalo for watching and welcome to life at the Ma'ili Plantation, where the chickens are wild, the kiawe are wilder, and the neighbors next level.